angels, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Arshkar. I hope you all doing well. In today's video I'll be creating this pretty pink look using the new foundation from Sugar Cosmetics, which is called Race for Coverage 24-hour foundation, and it claims as it's a full coverage foundation. And let's see how it works.
The best part is it comes in 15 unique foundation shade and I have 4 of them, and I'm gonna swatch them one by one on my jawline to find my perfect shade. It comes in black tube bottle and I love this kind of packaging because it's very travel friendly. You can carry it in your bag very easily. Let's get into the swatches. It has a smooth texture and a pretty thick consistency as it's a full coverage foundation. Among all of them, 15 Cappuccino was my shade. Let's try this foundation on my full face using other Sugar products. First of all, I'm gonna moisturize my face using this citrus range moisturizer from Sugar Cosmetics. After a quick massage, I'm gonna applying my favorite primer from Sugar Cosmetics, which is a base of Glory. And here I'm applying the Reach of Coverage 24-hour foundation on my half face so that I can check the difference and the coverage of the foundation on my half face. And after application, I'm gonna blend it with a brush. You can even use your beauty blender, and it blends like a dream. I'm not kidding, it's a very blendable foundation. As you can see, I didn't even apply a concealer underneath and you can see the difference. It almost covers my each and every pigmented area and uneven skin tone on a single go and gives a flawless finish. For my contour, I'm going to use a darker shade of same foundation. And here I have used the Sugar Concealer, a very little amount of Sugar Concealer just to highlight my highlighting area. And here is my all-time favorite palette from Sugar Cosmetics to set my contour, for blushing and for my highlighter. You can see the blend of my contour. It blends very easily and gives you a very smooth. It doesn't even look patchy at all. And I'm totally in love with this base, guys. I didn't even use any corrector or concealer underneath. I'm not even kidding. This covers all my pigmentation and scars. I just highlighted my face with a very little amount of concealer and it turns out so freaking good. And after setting my base with a powder, I'm gonna use this palette from Sugar Wonder Woman for my eyes, using the light pink color into my crease area for a transition shade, and highlighting my inner corner with the face palette highlighter, and the glittery pink color on my whole eyelid area. Blend them all together with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna use the Kohl of Honor liner, which is a kajal pencil actually, on my lash line area, and a hot pink shade from the same palette on my lower lash line, and dragging it outside to create a soft wing because I want it a little dramatic. And finishing up my eyes with Lash of Titan mascara. And for my lips, I'm using this beautiful shade from Lip Crayon range, which matches almost my lower lash line. Finally, finishing up my face with the Grand Finale Makeup Mist to set it all together. And voila, it's my final look. I hope you all like it, and if you want to purchase this amazing foundation, check out the link in my description box, and do follow me on my Instagram handles as well for my regular updates. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment what you like the most in this video. and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification first. And I'll be back with another video super soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.